Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna do al-mad. Al-mad is elongating the sound of harf or letter. So what this means, so we take the harf and either we can say ah or oo or e. We have three huruf or three letters that we use to elongate: alif, waw, ya. So give an example of ba. So ba, if we wanna elongate it with alif, we say ba. If we wanna elongate it with waw, we say boo. With ya, we say bi. So ba, boo, bi. Ba, boo, bi. So just remember alif, waw, ya. But one thing to remember is with alif there is always fatha before it. With waw there is always dhamma before it. And with ya there is always kasra. So fatha alif, dhamma waw, kasra ya. Let's go over some examples. So ba, boo, bi, ta, tu, ti, tha, thu, thi, ja, ju, ji, ha, hu, hi, kha, khu, khi, da, du, di, tha, thu, thi, ra, ru, ri, za, zu, zi. Just remember, don't elongate too much. For example, ba, no, just count when you elongate, count two. For example, ba, boo, bi, because there is another mid. We'll get to it later on when you count six. Okay, so for example, ba, it will be ba like this. Especially in the Quran, we have this mid. Okay, but we call this one we call it mid sit harakat. Sit harakat, 6 harakat means ba. Okay, so just remember, don't go over it too much. Just count ba, boo, bi.